we still live in a Europe, and it hurts me to say it, in 2017, when we cannot say that women throughout Europe can access the reproductive health services that they need, when abortion is still prohibited or highly restricted or is under threat in so many countries. Abortion should be provided in our health services throughout Europe on the same basis as any other medical intervention or treatment or process, because it is an ordinary, everyday reality in women's lives. It's not something we aspire to. Nobody goes out there saying, I want to have an abortion. But women need abortion services in order to be healthy in their lives and in order to be able to just be our own independent, autonomous selves, and for us to make the decisions about our bodies, our lives, our partners, our families, our work, everything that we should be entitled to do, and that, quite honestly, men are entitled to do. So it's a health issue, it's a human rights issue, and it is a women's, a feminist issue. It is also about our right to be who we are and to have services in place that respond to our needs, not the needs of some ideology which is, quite frankly, anti-women. Well, we are currently in Ireland fighting for a referendum which we think will be held in May. So we are active on many fronts. Political advocacy is always important. Legal work is important. But so too is framing the message. How do we talk to the people who will vote, for example? In our case, it'll be in a referendum, so we need to talk to the people of Ireland. So we need to have the kind of language and set up the kinds of conversations that will work for them. But first of all, we have to get their attention. So we have to have high visibility, creative and imaginative actions that bring this home to people, that say women are in a dreadful situation. It's deeply distressing. It's deeply stressful. We have to do something about this. So we need to do that through, for example, drama, through street actions, through merchandise, which is increasingly important, by wearing the badge or wearing the baseball cap or whatever it is, to say this is an issue I care about, this is an issue that's important to me. We have to, at all times, think creatively to bring people out of the situation of indifference that they are so often in. So we need to do it, I think, our actions with great imagination. Petitions matter, social media matters, all of these things are important, but being there, being visible, being on the streets, being in the public places, having the public conversations, that's what we need to do. It's probably what we need to do more anyway in our increasingly individualist and very urbanized societies, where we don't really talk to one another anymore except on a cell phone. Let's actually have real conversations, with one-to-one conversations with people in their bodies, in their flesh and blood, in their everyday selves.